Welcome to Coyote Classics in Green, Iowa. Today we are checking out a beautiful low mileage 1971 Olds Cutlass. Just a beautiful car, still has its factory colors, you know, present on the car, an all original interior, fully numbers matching drivetrain, just a true time capsule. Still on fast idle there, but really cleaned up great underneath the hood. That's the numbers matching 350.
This is definitely original paint in here. We have a brand new hood installation pad. I took the old one off, so I got a brand new one. It just didn't come in yet. That will be installed before it gets delivered. Really nice car. We did get the air conditioning working as well. Power steering, power brakes. And as you said, just a super nice time capsule.
The colors on this are so beautiful, so unique. That beige with the brown painted top to match the interior. Just a really pretty car, and you did say that these are original colors to this Olds. It's a Cutlass S, so with that you have the little sportier version of the Cutlass.
There's not many Cutlass S's out there. I checked on carsforsale.com just to try to find some comps on this one. There was one other Cutlass S for sale. A lot of Supremes, but not this body style, which I like the curved rear quarters. To me, that's, you know, it's very similar to a Chevelle GTO body style.
Much sportier. And being the 63,000 original mile car that it is, it's got great gaps. Hood lines up excellent. This is the Cutlass S hood. You got the sportier hood with the louvers, the additional stripes. It's got the color matched Oldsmobile rallies.
The stance is awesome too. Just the distance between the top of the tire and the wheel wells, it's just perfect.
Yes, it is. You do have a little scuff here that may buff out. It's not a deep scratch. You can't feel it, just a little scuff.
It's got all original paint still in the door jambs for sure. I'm guessing the outside's been painted. I'm gonna show you that real quick. But you don't see much difference in here though either. It's difficult to see. But I think it's been painted once if I had a guess, but.
Corner of the door is real nice and solid.
Look at the original interior still. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, the original.
Even the armrest bases and pads are original, still in great shape. The seat has, if you can zoom up, the seat's perfect except for right over there under the driver's side. You can see just a couple little cracks in that bottom of that seat.
You can tell it's definitely original. But that's the thing that impressed me most with when we looked at this one for the first time and bought it. Just sitting behind the wheel, looking at the original dash and wood grain, just how clean, crisp, and nice everything is on that original interior.
Even that package tray, just how nice and clean that is. The dome light works. The roof rail rubbers are original as well. Door rubbers are still original.
Back seat's in awesome shape. And I love the painted metallic brown top. Goes great with the beige.
It's got a little ding in here, and you see that just a little tiny, about the size of your thumb right there. But yeah, the top's great, and this is exactly how it came from the factory, the painted top.
Very cool.
And I like the decals, they look great as well.
And you have
There's a couple tiny, and it's not a bubble, it's just a little, from the inside out, it's got a little star crack right there. See it? Two little ones.
Yep. Nice straight body, quarters are nice and straight, tires have good tread on them.
I'll get the keys to the trunk as we go.
It's got kind of that trumpet exhaust tips like your 442 would have.
They just don't have the cutouts in them.
Correct. Yep. Just still has the correct Cutlass bumper, where they put the trumpet tips on it, which I like. Bumper looks to be original. You can even see where that factory, probably dealership sticker was on there all them years ago. But
trunk light works. Original paint in the trunk lid. Beautiful. No rust or any issues at all under here.
Jack spare, all proper where it should be.
Here's the original radio. I left that to go with the next owner. Okay.
Okay.
Because someone did upgrade the radio.
Trunk looks real nice and solid.
Look at that. I mean, just beautiful. All original speckling in there.
Real solid.
Yeah, nice car. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage photos for yourself. We take about 25 of each car.
I think it's just really classy looking. I like it a lot. You have a little paint chip that's been touched up here. Or actually, no, never mind. Just a little piece of buffing compound or something. So not a paint chip there. Driver's side looks just as nice and straight as the passenger side did. Behind the rear tire here, that's all good and solid. No bubbles or issues there that I see.
Really, the only chips are kind of behind the door. On that side's got a couple too, but just little tiny stuff. See it? Very, very little. And you can see with those chips, it's bare metal right under them. So this thing, if it has had a paint job, it has not, you know, they stripped it bare metal before they did the repaint.
Yeah.
So kind of tells you about the quality of it.
You can just tell when you look at that original interior just how nice the previous owners have cared for this car its whole life. A couple small little chips here on the painted roof. Well, that looks good there. Door fits excellent. Chad already talked about those few small little chips, but your rocker, bottom of the door, all that look really nice and solid. It's got the body side moldings here. The fender fits great.
Hood fits awesome, but there is one little chip right here. And like I said, that's bare metal as well. So,
and looking at the top of the dash, always a good spot to look. Looks real good on this Oldsmobile here.
Windows all go up and down really smooth.
A couple more little paint chips right here. Like Chad said, they're to bare metal, so not a whole lot of paint been put on this car.
Still has its original sticker in the door. No rust in those door jambs at all.
Door panels are just almost remarkably nice.
Yeah, there's one tiny little flaw here for being over 50 years old. And then right on the edge here, just a little bit, but I wouldn't change a thing. It's got remote mirror, that works.
Really cool car. Even the steering wheel and stuff's in great shape. So many times you see those beat up, but here's what Chad was talking on the other side. You have in that original seat just a little wear there.
I wouldn't touch it for now.
I wouldn't either. You know, someday down the road maybe, but
I think it's got original carpet in the car yet, D.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's just a true time capsule. We love cars like this.
The last two Oldsmobiles that we had in just flew off the shelf here. Both of them were what, 70, both 72s, I think? Yeah, they were. The only thing I know of right now that does not work is the gas gauge itself.
With the gas gauge, because I filled this car up when it came in. So the gas gauge worked. It was
I got a new sender.
Oh, you do? Okay.
I did order one. It's here with the car.
Good. Because I know the head, it was on E. I filled it up, it went to full, and then it went past full.
But you see how, okay, so the gauge, we tested the gauge. The gauge does work, but we got the sending unit.
Yep.
Probably the float's goofy in it or something. So we're going to replace that for you.
Wipers work.
Heat works, AC does work. We charge that up. Radio doesn't.
Does not
That's
work.
a
Just an
bummer,
old school.
because it's an old Pioneer 8-track.
It's got powered trunk too.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
We'll see if it works.
And somebody's got to get out and close it.
I'll do it.
Power trunk
shoot.
works. That's cool.
Pops right up.
That's awesome. It's another neat little option of these. Comes with the original, looks like warranty card, owner's manual.
Wow.
Some neat stuff in the glove box that'll come with it too. Glove box sticker, all that. Still in place.
There you go. Never open one, day.
Never open one. There we go.
Original rear view mirror yet.
Just cool.
They got light in it too. Must have something.
Still has the old mirror on the visor. Cool. See how she goes down the road.
It idles down nice now.
This would be a beautiful Cutlass to like take to a car show or something like that, where it's just, it really stands out. I mean, people draw to it just because of the unique coloring and then the originality.
It's 70s colors. You know what I mean? Like this color, a light
someone wearing
green,
this
dark
with
green.
some plaid pants behind the wheel of it back in 1970.
Plaid pants. Head to the golf course.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's just been so well taken care for, you know. Here's your brakes. No pull left or right. Brakes stop perfect. Power brakes work great.
Got a truck coming here, pulling a trailer. Just wait.
Oh, I could have made it.
I know. This is what I was talking about earlier. I mean, the cleanliness, the gauges, the wood grain, it's really a special little car.
Horn works as well. I forgot to try that. But like I said, the gas gauge will be fixed.
This is silly, but you look at a lot of times you see those on old seatbelts, they're just so worn out, and you can tell they've just been...
Yeah, there's no doubt in my mind it's 63,000 miles. All right, let's see how it handles the road, shall we? Actually, it's for a 1971 350. It's got quite a bit of get up.
It does. Yep, it's got a 4-barrel on there too. Sounds nice. Speedometer works.
That's 80 mile an hour. You know what?
Handles really well.
It does. Handles beautifully. And how about the ride of it? 65 mile an hour, just beautiful down the road, just as I would expect, you know, a 63,000 mile car to be.
Brakes, high speed, stop awesome.
I'm going to go through our transmission once and just show everyone how it shifts. The power steering is awesome. I mean, just no noise whatsoever there. We clear?
Good ride.
Transmission shifts nice into second, nice into third.
Cool car. Whoever owns this one's going to be very pleased with it. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next test drive.